Good morning. I took the day off yesterday and I left a snuffer bottle out here that was full of all my mercury gold. I'm really hoping that it's still right there. Let's go check it out. Let's see. And what's up, buddy? All right, we're already off to a good start. We already found something. Let's get after it. I'm gonna jump back in that pool, see if that fish is still in there. Stand by. All right, so like I said, this is the only time of the day where we're gonna be able to see in that water, because as soon as I disturb it, it turns into chocolate milk. I don't see that fish anywhere. I dug him out a little valleyway to get out. Well, sometimes your first pan of the day looks like that. And that's just how it goes. But it's not gonna stay like that. So this is how it is some days. This is the third pan. So maybe the pool has finally dried out. We will see. Pan number 4 on the day. Better. Got a piece of mercury gold in there. Best pan of the day. It's been a tough gig out here so far. I'm gonna wash my hands because I feel like I got in contact with some poison oak, and then get back on it. Alright, so I've dug underneath this rock so much under the pool that I'm pretty sure I can kick this rock right now and it'll tumble in. Figured I'd get that on camera because that's pretty cool. Alright. See if we can get her to budge here. Hopefully all this material right here has something in it. And I've got somewhere else to stand now in here. Alright, stand by for the results of that. So, I haven't seen this pan in its entirety, but I can tell you that it's loaded. There's been gold showing up high, up low, gold showing up in the front, in the back. So I figured we'd look together. Oh boy. Whoa. That's what a ridiculous amount of gold in one pan looks like. And it's still all up in here. Wow, wow, wow. Check out this pan of gold. 2 chunky pieces too. Here's what that pan looked like all cleaned up. What a pan. And what a little spot. It is saving the day. just another ridiculous pan. I mean, the kind of pan that should be ashamed of itself. That is ridiculous. I don't know if you can tell, but there's some 3D action going on with some of these pieces. They're rolling down the pan like little balls. And that's always a great sign. Man, I don't feel worthy. But thank you, Mother Yuba. Here's the next pan. Not as tasty, but still chunky. Our old friend Mercury has shown up. So we'll get the other snuffer bottle out for that piece. 2 more to go. Here's the second to last. It's just drying up by the standard it's set anyways. And a couple little pieces of mercury again. 1 pan to go. I'll try to dig in the hottest spot and make it worth it. And what a last pan of the day. Boom. As you can see, it's got a couple little white mercury tips on those beautiful pieces right there. But it's 97% gold, so I'm gonna put that in Snuffy number 1. And that concludes a great day out on the Yuba River. Ooh wee, we've been waiting for that. That's our first great one of the second half. We might have neared a gram today. Best day of the year so far, and the best thing about it is I'm gonna start out on a hot spot tomorrow morning. I'll see you guys there. Alright, welcome back to the gold wagon. We have got the gold all cleaned up, and it's a nice little pile. I'm hoping for a gram. I think it's going to be pretty close. I'm always hoping for that gram. So let's get this tared out. Get this scale reading all zeros. There's our little vial that we're filling up right now. I go ahead and grab this. Come around this side. And let's see how we did. Boy, this lighting is really bad right now. Oh yeah. Oh, did you see that? I had stopped right on a gram. Holy moly. 1.169. Nice clean gold too. That'll put a dent in the vial. So there you have it. We're in full gear now. We've got however long left we got in the fall. Could be a month, could be 2. 1 more ounce will always do. Thanks for joining as usual, and if you want to like and subscribe, that would really help the channel. And until the next time, this has been another tale from the mother lode. Everybody be safe out there, and everybody have some heavy pans.